this point. So I'm picking up this seventh point. You can see group and group user is a description here. So when you log in into the Salesforce, you can see various tabs here, and along with that, you can see groups and group users. So you can create a groups based on the projects. So let's say if I click on new,
Why we use groups? That
yeah. So to give you an overview of it, we use groups for the round robin purpose. So let's say if the lead is coming into the system, based on this groups, based on this project name, the lead will be assigning to this particular group users. Let's say I'm opening this group pre-sales. The users that are under group pre-sales will be getting this project leads, whatever the project has been selected here. So any question?
No, so we will get to choose which group that person belongs to when we're creating that group.
Yes.
And pre-sales will be, so pre-sales will get leads for all the projects. So how do I split that? Do I have to make different groups for pre-sales, or I can choose as a corporate level leads go to pre-sales?
Okay. We have that. Sir, if we have, according to the flow that has been signed or given to us, based on the project, currently we are assigning to the pre-sales person. If you don't want that projects to be added and it should be going into the pre-sales group, we can also do that. Uh, if you give it into the issue tracker.
I need to check the functional form.
So is that clear or?
Can you say that again?
Okay,
Yes.
let's assume that there is no project assigned to that particular group. Okay, you let's take this group. I'll be taking off this project for purpose. So assume that this group doesn't have any project assigned, and there are users in it, and these users are available for leads access, lead assigns. So you mean you are asking that whenever the lead comes into the system,
It
for
is.
which purpose I want to assign the uh, leads to that persons who are not having the project access, right?
No, I'm saying say there are three projects A, B, and C. Do I
Okay.
have to create groups for individual projects in terms of pre-sales
Okay.
as well?
Yeah, in terms of pre-sales as well, sir, you need to create the groups.
Okay,
It's
and
a
say if
one-time
I
setup.
right, and say if there is a lead being manually entered, there was a site visit, direct site visit, then the
Okay.
lead does not have to go to pre-sales; it'll have to go to sales directly.
Okay. Sir, walk-in will be
Then this round robin doesn't work. Well,
No.
how does this round robin works?
okay. Let's
How does the flow works?
okay. Sir, round robin will be working for online leads, right? When you let's take an example.
No,
When
I
you
meant how will this flow work? Like, say if I'm entering if that customer is just visited our site,
Automatically, it will
huh?
take
then
long
my
time.
salesperson owns that lead.
Oh,
It will not go to the pre-sales then.
okay. Let's say I'm opening one group. Let's assume there are 20 users in it. Okay. The this round robin will works like you can see this last assigned date and time, right? So on the current scenario, when the lead comes into the system through online any property portals, the it will check for the group name and the group project which exists for this is the group exist for this project. If exist, if the group exists with this project name,
No.
it will be going to this group user. It will check the group users, whoever has last assigned date and time. Based on that, it will keep on rounding the leads. uh, so,
No,
Actually,
my
sir
question
is
was something else.
asking.
Okay, please continue.
Yeah.
If that gets resolved,
Sir,
I'll
let me
ask my
answer
question.
Sir
this.
Rita will be answering for it.
So, in the bottom of the screen, you can see one button, right? Quick lead.
Sorry, in the bottom of walk-in registrations.
Walk-in registration, and beside that, quick lead is there. So
Yeah.
what happened in terms of walk-in registration, no? Or if any lead is coming directly onto the site, and if pre-sales user is registering that lead into CRM, then the owner of that lead will be that particular user. So we don't have to consider that scenario in case of groups.
Okay, and can the head of the department assign a lead to a particular person who so
Yes.
that work-in registration can be done manually if someone walks in, and if I want to assign it the lead, if I want to assign a lead to someone, I can do that.
Yes, you can do that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So I hope you got clear with this
Now, can we
group.
explain like
I'll
project
be
wise
explaining
sales
this project wise.
for sales group?
So
Okay.
we need to create the groups as per the project. Let's say if you have the example, same example, if you have ABC project, you need to create separate groups for this. And when you go into related list called group users, you can add the user here. You can click on new button and you can select the user. I'm selecting test. I'm just giving this sales type as pre-sales, or if you have salesperson, you can give the user type as sales, and you can just save it. Once you save it, the user will be added into this group and will be continuing in round robin process. So, any questions here?
No, and the owner of the group will be the admin.
Yeah, admin only, sir. Admin only will be giving, will be getting this group and group user access.
Okay.
No other person will get the access of it.
Okay.
Okay.